We are in Hampden today at, what's our address?
171 Scantic Rd.
It's Brad, the mortgage guy. This is your local look. We have a phenomenal property. Michelle is going to walk us around this place. It's a big one, a lot of awesome features that we're going to point out as we go. So, you want to take us in and show us around? Sure. We walk in, this is a great entranceway. We have over here an office to the right.
Yes.
We're coming up before the kitchen. We've got a half bath.
We go around the corner to the primary bedroom.
And on our way to the bathrooms, we have these two enormous walk-in closets.
In the primary bath, you have a large jacuzzi tub that overlooks the outdoor oasis.
Back in through the kitchen, we see, again, large windows pointing towards this, as you said, oasis outside. And we come through the kitchen and then on to my favorite room in the house.
There's a massive great room with an amazing stone fireplace. Upstairs, we have 2 bedrooms and 1 full bathroom.
We also have here, and it's ready to be finished, a basement with, 10, 12-foot ceilings.
Why don't I take you outside and show you this amazing backyard? So outside, we have an in-ground pool, a pavilion with an outdoor fireplace, and a fish pond. We have a large 3-car garage with an unfinished space up above.
This is just a phenomenal property. If you want to come take a look at this place, hit Michelle up. Her contact information's on the screen. Let's get you pre-approved. My information is on the screen as well. It's Brad, the mortgage guy. This has been your local look. We're out of here.